The GMKtec K11, a compact powerhouse in the making. GMKtec has carved out a reputation for producing capable and often competitively priced mini PCs, catering to users who demand desktop-level performance in a significantly smaller footprint. Their existing lineup boasts a range of configurations, often utilizing AMD RYZEN and Intel Core processors. The K11, building on this foundation, appears set to elevate the bar. Many PCs like the K11 are increasingly popular for various applications, including home office workstations, offering powerful computing in a space-saving design, media centers, HTPCs, capable of 4K streaming and local media playback, light gaming rigs, thanks to increasingly potent integrated graphics, digital signage and kiosks, where compact size and reliable performance are crucial, entry-level content creation for photo editing and lighter video workloads. The most intriguing aspect of the GMKtec K11's discovery is undoubtedly the AMD Ryzen 8945HS processor. As of current public knowledge, the 8945HS model has not been officially announced by AMD. However, its nomenclature provides several clues. 8000 series. This strongly suggests it belongs to AMD's upcoming or latest generation of mobile processors, possibly based on the Hawk Point Zen 4 refresh or even an early Strix Point Zen 5 architecture. HS suffix. In AMD's mobile CPU lineup, the HS designation typically signifies a high-performance, higher TDP, thermal design power, chip designed for slim but powerful laptops and, in this case, high-end mini PCs. This indicates it will offer superior performance compared to standard U or H series chips. Like other Ryzen mobile processors, the 8945HS will undoubtedly feature powerful integrated Radeon graphics, likely an RDNA 3 Plus or RDNA 4 variant like the Radeon 780M or a successor. This is crucial for mini PCs as they rarely include discrete graphics cards, meaning the integrated GPU handles all visual processing, from everyday tasks to moderate gaming and media encoding. Given the anticipated power of the AMD Ryzen 8945HS, users can expect the GMKtec K11 to deliver exceptional multi-core performance, ideal for demanding applications, heavy multitasking, and productivity, robust single-core performance, ensuring smooth operation for everyday tasks and responsiveness in applications. Impressive integrated graphics, capable of handling 4K video playback, multiple displays, and even a respectable level of gaming at lower to moderate settings. Power efficiency. Despite its performance, HS series chips are still optimized for efficiency, which is vital for maintaining low temperatures and quiet operation in a small chassis. Thanks for watching. It's always a blast sharing these tech insights with you. Whether we're diving into the latest gadgets or exploring groundbreaking software, your engagement keeps the conversation alive. I love hearing your thoughts and experiences, so keep those comments coming. Remember, tech isn't just about the tools, it's about how we use them to enhance our lives. So let's keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible together. Your curiosity fuels this journey, and I can't wait to see where it takes us next. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.